Ever wondered if you could truly master a dessert that looks impossible but tastes like pure magic? Today, we're demystifying the legendary Crêpes Suzette. Get ready to transform simple ingredients into a show-stopping dish, proving that you don't need a fancy restaurant to create culinary brilliance. And the best part? It's easier than you think. Imagine a cozy evening, soft jazz playing, and then a burst of citrusy, buttery flames dancing right in your pan. That's the magic of Crêpes Suzette. Many shy away, thinking it's only for seasoned chefs with flaming torches. But here's the secret. It's all about a super thin crepe and a glorious, zesty orange butter sauce. The crepes themselves are just flour, eggs, milk, a touch of sugar, whisked together faster than you can say bon appetit. The sauce? Fresh orange juice, zest, sugar, and a good pat of butter, simmered until it thickens into a golden elixir. The real showstopper, of course, is the flambéed. A splash of orange liqueur, a gentle tilt, and suddenly you've got a theatrical finish that's surprisingly safe and utterly impressive. Trust me, the aroma alone will transport you straight to a Parisian bistro. So from basic ingredients to a fiery spectacle, you've just created a timeless French classic. It's elegant, it's delicious, and now you know it's totally within your reach. Ready for more sweet adventures? Click here for another dessert classic.